Through tea, make friends. And if you guys remember just a few days ago, whenever I posted one of the Seven Teahouse tea tastings that I do, I said that I really enjoy their tea, and so I placed an order for some more stuff from them, and it came today. So I was going to do another tea tasting. It started pouring down rain outside, so I'm going to wait for that. I may try to do something a little later, but I decided let's do this as an unboxing with the stuff that I did order from Seven Teahouse. So here's the box. I went ahead and cut it open so that way we could access it. And let's open it. Oh wow. So there's some other fun stuff in here. So before I show you that though, I'm going to show you a couple of other things. So I specifically ordered from them. They have a fruit oolong blend, like a collection that they have of different types of fruit oolong teas. So this one has lychee, coconut, peach, pineapple, melon, strawberry, and grape. And I've watched these videos that they create in their store with some really beautiful drinks that they make in their little pitchers. So I ordered that because I had not tried those. I have tried their lychee black tea before though, which is really, really good. The other thing I specifically got from them was because I tried it from their Living History of Tea box, which was their Oriental Beauty Oolong. So I went ahead and ordered a regular size of that because I really, really enjoyed it a lot. It was a lovely tea to have, especially just a sipping tea. And so I wanted to try that one as well. That's what I ordered. Now, I love Seven Teahouse. They've been amazing, like connection to work with here. So they've tossed in some extra goodies, which thank you so much to them for that. I am very, very grateful. And some of the things they put in here were a bunch of other teas. So there is an orange white tea. There is a longjun. There is a chrysanthemum, a ripe pu'er, a grape white tea. There is a lychee black, which I tried this at the World Tea Expo, and it was amazing. It was so, so good. Then, let's see what else we got here. A rose black tea, and I do like rose black tea. I know some people that are weird about that. They feel it tastes like soap, but all the teas I've ever had from Seven Teahouse have been absolutely delicious, and it's not overpowering with the flavors, so you still get the tea flavor in it as well. And let's see, there's a jasmine black tea. There is a grape jasmine tea. Wow, I've never heard of that one before. There is an osmanthus black tea. Oops. And a strawberry black tea. Okay, so that's all of that. And then they sent me a tea pet. For those of you that know Gongfu-cha, know that we all have little tea pets on our tea trays, and they, you know, bring good luck and good fortune and that sort of thing, and you feed them. And look at this. Is that not the cutest little thing you've ever seen? Absolutely adorable. So it will take place on my little tea tray. I have a few of these, and I don't have one that travels with me. Well, I do have a little bat that travels with me, but this is going to go with me on that, or when I do my videos here. So that's so cute. So thank you so much to Seven Teahouse. I'm excited. I'll be doing tasting videos with all of these teas as well. And I may try some of their recipes too. And also I like to do mocktails with teas. So let's see what I can create with some of these items. So thanks again, and I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video from Seven Teahouse.